Okay, let's look at the MCM, and you will see in here that we have our great application, and it just does an amazing job of helping you understand the market conditions right over here. As you can see in here that we're looking at the intermediate term, and this is just very bullish across the board. Note the diamonds, they were at bullish, and then this morning switched to very bullish right over there. As you can see, it gives you that time frame on those changes, and our change log here tells you when everything changes. So that's the intermediate. That's equivalent to looking at the combination of weekly, monthly, as these are the long-term holders. The shorter term right over here, you could see when we look at them, very bullish. We have the a weakening, slight weakening going on right now in the IWM. You can see that actually the last couple of days right over there. And if you were a swing trader, near-term trader, you could switch here. Excuse me. And it would show you these conditions right now. And it shows you the weakening that we're seeing as the IWM for the short-term traders has moved to neutral. Let's go back to short-term right over here. And you will be able to see the great conditions of the bullish stocks or the negative conditions of the negative stocks. So let's look under trade setup condition. And here's the ones that are very bullish. And here, of course, Texas Instruments in the semiconductor category. And I'll just scroll down in here through the ones that are very bullish. And you'll be able to see as I move down. Taiwan Semiconductor, of course, very bullish. And these are the ones that on the short term are very bullish right there. Let's go back up to the top right over here and set the condition in here for very bearish right there. And you can see in here, these are the ones that are quite negative, as you would expect. If you follow McDonald's and you see what that chart looks like, it's been very bearish. It's been bearish, and now this morning switched to very bearish. So Palantir switched to very bearish yesterday right there for the short term. And let me just continue to move down in here so you could see the stocks that continue to be very bearish right here. And what a great way to really use this. Now, if you're looking at the way to get notified on here, all you have to do is, let's see, we're very bullish right over here. So what I want to do is I want to know when the SPY goes neutral, because that to me will be a sign of topping or maybe to slightly bearish, that this upside move is over with. So I'm going to go right over here and I'm going to say, well, tell me when it is slightly bearish. And I'm going to click on that. And you notice that bell came up. And so now that is set up for me. I'm going to do the same thing on the, oops, didn't mean to do that. I'm going to do the same thing on the QQQ right over here. And I'm going to say, tell me when it is slightly bearish. And I'll click that. And of course, I've downloaded our application so that it pushes to me out on the website. And this is how you really get a good sense. You can do this for every stock. If you're a level 3 and 4 member, you get a lot of these subscriptions where you can program things for information. So this gives you an absolutely great way to use our market condition monitor. I don't think there's anything like this out there. I mean, all of our algorithms built into this and really tells you when things are in what condition and when they are changing, and can notify you as I showed you. So that is a look at the market condition monitor.